How to download MetaTrader app on Android. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to your Play Store. Since it's a quite easy process, just simply search in for the MetaTrader application just like this. So once you locate your MetaTrader application, as you can see, for your information, it has logo like this. So just tap on this and it has over 10 million plus download. So it's a great application for online trading with forex and stock quotes. So you can simply tap on this here install button to officially install and set up successfully to your device. So you just have to wait for a few seconds for it to be installed. So once it get downloaded, just tap on this open button to simply open the application and accept any option over here. So you can basically create a demo account as well, or you can also create an official account. So for now, I'll just simply create a dummy account. And once you do all of that, you should be successfully able to set up your MetaTrader account. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.